I'm not really sure why gold traders don't use stop loss. I repeat, gold trader, if you are a gold trader, you trade gold, the precious metal, and you are not using stop loss, I would like to know why. This week alone, gold has dropped over 650 pips. Yes, you heard that right. 650 pips. Now, imagine not using a stop loss and then you were trying to buy. You'll definitely be in a lot of trouble. Even when price got to areas of demand, you'd have expected this place to hold. But no, what happened? It broke out from here and then used it as a launching pad to drop to the next level over here. If you look over here, you'll notice that this here is a form of flip. You would easily be able to see those areas that have acted as a bit of resistance, 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 support, support, resistance, support. Now, will this area here, will it act as support? That is the question. Now, the truth now is that in as much as price has gotten to a key area of demand here, I can see the store and it has dropped over 650 pips. I would be very, very wary to try to go long on this gold. Why? Because it has done 650 pips to the downside. That's why. And trust me, you don't fight vertical moves. At least I don't fight vertical moves. This is just a warning for everybody listening to me. Later today, we have news. We have data coming out for the USD that could cause some heavy movements for gold. Now, later today, we have what? We have the prelim GDP for USD. That's by 2:30 p.m. West African time. Then we have the core PCE price index for USD by 4 p.m. And of course, FOMC. FOMC is one to pay attention to. We have the FOMC by 8 p.m. for also US dollar. You can see that we have US dollar and it's going to be busy today. So I would just advise you, right? First of all, let me state this. If you are in this trade, you've been trying to go long somewhere, and of course, you're not using stop loss and your account is in trouble, chat me up. Hurry up and chat me up. Let's see what we can do to salvage what is going on now. Let's look for options that could help you to reduce the losses that you are having presently. That's number one. And then number two, prior to the news, you need to be careful. If you're not in gold and you don't know what's going to happen next in gold, the best thing for you to do is to stay out. Trust me. Don't let your case be one of, oh, and somebody said it. CSAFOREX said it earlier. Why didn't I listen? You need to pay attention because today is going to be explosive. That's what we're expecting in the market. For me, I'm not in any gold position and I'm not going to be, trust me. Today, not even this week, I'm not going to be going against this 650 pips move to the downside. That is just not my style. The best thing to do is to wait and watch how it plays out. If you have any questions or you want to learn how to trade the proper way, how to look at the market, how to read and understand the market, you can book a call. The link is in the description below. Let's have a quick discussion. And if you want to know how to map out your charts, yes, the first major thing for anybody to do is map out your charts based on supply, demand, based on support, resistance. There is a free course in the description below, right, that would help you to draw support and resistance on any time frame. This can be used on any time frame. And we talked about time frames as well because time frames is very important. It's going to help you to trade in a good enough fashion that will make you to be comfortable. Not everybody has to be a scalper. Let me just put it that way. Scalping is fast. So find the time frame that suits you. If you're not sure what the free cost, I need to enlighten you the more. Thank you everybody for tuning in. Ensure you trade the proper way. Use your stop loss. Calculate your risk management appropriately. Do not over leverage. And of course, let the charts, let the trading, let the market come to you. Thank you, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day and trade safely today. Goodbye.